Alright, just a kind of a quick response, hopefully, to Joneser on some legal issues, because he just keeps spouting crap, and it's just that crap.
Gary can add you to his lawsuit only if he files a DMCA complaint against you and you respond with a counter notice and give up your real name and address. Otherwise, he's never going to know who you are.
Yeah, that's just crap. I mean, that's, it's just that. It's just simply crap. No, you just get a court order, and Google has to give up the names. I mean, under the existing federal law, they have to give up the names if people make a claim against the behavior. And if they don't give them up, then they're responsible for the litigation. So if YouTube wishes to protect these anonymous cowards like yourself, then YouTube has to take responsibility for the behavior. That's the consequence of not giving up the names. And I'll be perfectly happy to sue YouTube over the fucking accusations and the statements, because in my opinion they're fucking complicit anyway. But the bottom line is my claims will be, there will be somebody that has to defend the content and the theft of content. There will be someone who has to defend it.
Not that it really matters, because Gary will never get the court order anyway, and here's why. Let me read you from a Texas Supreme Court decision dated December 12, 2007. I quote, "The Texas Court of Appeals holds that to obtain the identity of an anonymous individual who allegedly posted defamatory statements online, a plaintiff must submit evidence of the validity of his defamation claim sufficient to survive a motion for summary judgment." In other words, before the court is going to issue any court orders for Gary, he's going to have to lay his cards on the table and convince...
Yeah, well, that happens in every litigation that takes place. The summary judgment motions are routine. Your fucking motion is essentially a summary judgment motion, you fucktard. Because although you claim in the motion that you couldn't understand the complaint, you answered the complaint. So obviously you can't make the argument, I couldn't understand what he was saying, but here's why he's wrong. You can't do that, dumb fucker. So obviously if you understood the complaint, what you essentially have filed is a summary judgment motion saying, no, you didn't do anything wrong. Okay, but you obviously didn't prove you didn't do anything wrong, you dumbass. So, fine. I mean, I understand the legal procedure. I mean, obviously, I'd have to survive a summary judgment motion to proceed with the litigation anyway. So that was a given. That's going to be part of the process no matter what the fuck happens. That's just part of the legal process. So, it's nothing new there. It's not a news flash, Joneser. I mean, it's obvious court procedure.
You bet into this game, Gary, and I've called you. The ball is in your court. Lay your cards on the table or shut the fuck up, you stupid, frivolous, jackass, Nazi motherfucker.
Yeah, well, thank you for throwing the Nazi and the frivolous in there, but those are the words of contention. Yeah, well, whatever, so you made no point. Sorry, I mean, I'm not going to play the crap he, threw in there. He says I'm not going to win this summary judgment motion. He's asking for me to put cards. What cards do I have to put on the table? Your videos speak for themselves. Your comments on the boards speak for themselves. Okay, a judge will look at it and he'll say yes or he'll say no. And then on the other side of this is that I don't know whether you saw this new video that some fucktard has put up where he's attacking Mel's basket case now. But I got a copy of that one too, just to show where this kind of crap goes, just to show the kind of shit you open the door to, the kind of malicious, evil, motherfucking, useless, just human garbage kind of crap. And that's what you represent. That's all you stand for. And you can argue that you think there's some kind of judge out there, some kind of civilized human being who's going to sit there and say, yeah, the world needs more of this shit. No, I'm sure what a judge is going to say is, damn it, there's got to be a line somewhere. And he's going to draw that fucking line. So good luck staying on the right side of it.